Cash-starved Zimbabweans reject RBZ's ZIG success story. The 21st of August 2025, by a correspondent, Harare, despite the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ, insisting that the Zimbabwe gold ZIG currency is flourishing. Ordinary citizens remain unconvinced, citing persistent shortages and a lack of trust in the new unit. RBZ Governor John Mushiavanhu recently claimed that ZIG now accounts for over 40% of electronic payment transactions in the national payment system, up from 26% in April 2024. We continue to ensure the wider availability of ZIG cash through the banking system. Complementing digital efforts, Mushiavanhu said, "Our approach is not to supplant cash, but to balance digital innovation with cash availability, catering to all segments of society." But many economists argue the central bank's figures are misleading. People are being forced to transact in ZIG because alternatives are being squeezed out, not because they trust the currency. One economic analyst told News Times Zimbabwe, across towns and cities, long queues remain a daily reality. Banks struggle to meet withdrawal demands, ATMs often run dry, and informal traders continue to insist on the US dollar, sidelining ZIG in everyday commerce. In a bid to address the crisis, the RBZ has ordered banks to keep at least 3% of ZIG deposits in cash reserves and to boost availability at ATMs and banking halls by September 2025. But critics remain doubtful. Confidence cannot be legislated, said a Harare business owner. No matter what numbers the RBZ quotes, people know ZIG is unstable. Until it holds value, no one will take it seriously. While Mushiavanhu projects optimism, public sentiment suggests that the so-called ZIG success is more statistical than real, exposing the gulf between government narratives and the everyday struggles of Zimbabweans.